Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of August to unbox with you. I cannot believe it's already the middle of August, but it is. And today I have my Allure beauty box. There is one customizable item in here. I have taken a break from it because honestly the past few months haven't been a very good fit for me. But this month seemed pretty good. And if you do like what you see in the box this month, I do have a personal referral link below. I get like a coupon code for like the member store. I never use it, but it's just there to save you some money and also like hunt around for other coupons. It's like they have a lot of coupon codes, especially if you go like later in the month. If you do join right now, there's a pretty good member gift, a new member gift rather. And I do have a Rakuten cashback link as well. It's a referral link and I'll get some money for referring you, but you get some additional cashback if you want to use my link. And there is a Rakuten cashback offer for the beauty box. So with that, I'm going to get started. And this is a monthly subscription. I do have an annual subscription that I bought maybe 2 years ago, and I have a few more months to go. They have changed the box up this month. I don't know if it happened last month because I kind of skipped last month, but it's red now. This is what it looks like. I just realized, I think it's like a new rebrand. It's called The Edit now, rather than, it used to be just called like Allure Beauty Box. And it says this is the members copy. I don't know. Interesting. And the booklet is bigger now. I'm not sure if anybody cares about any of that, but there you go. The first item is the one that I was able to customize, and this is from Half Magic. It's an eyeshadow singles in shades Sparkle Puff, Possessed Pearl, or Tickle Spell. This is the item. Again, this one is in Sparkle Puff, and it is a Sparkle Duochrome in Chameleon color. And let's open this guy up. I did bring my fingernail this morning, so it's a little bit hard to open these boxes. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it comes in like a biodegradable sort of like paper, kind of like egg carton texture. I don't know if that's helpful. I did think it was going to be in plastic, but I guess it's like part of their shtick for Half Magic is that it's like in biodegradable materials. Why is this so hard to open? Okay, taped or something? Okay, here it is. Is this better? It's kind of like purpley blue, but then it's kind of like, I don't think I chose this color if I'm being honest, but it's the one I got, and I will probably use it. I'm going to kind of consider and look through my collection here because I do have quite a few other products, but this has a $15 value. There is a coupon code, so if you go to halfmagicbeauty.com, you get 20% off with the code allure-magic-20. So that's that. And it says it has a velvety shade with pigmented payoff in a single swipe. Tap it with your fingertip for maximum impact or blend with a brush for a softer, more diffused look. Okay, I have to also rush because I turned off my aircon because it's really, really hot and it's really loud, but now I'm sweating, so gotta go fast. This next item is one that I was like, okay, that seals the deal for me. I mean, I already really liked wanting to try this sparkly eyeshadow because I've been kind of liking only using a sparkle eyeshadow these days, if I'm being honest. But then I was like, okay, Medicate, I really like their other product that was in the Allure Beauty Box before. And this one is the liquid peptides, and that was definitely on the French side. So this one is a $68 value for 30 milliliters, and that is the full size, and that is what we got in the box. So it is a liquid peptide, and this is a serum. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to open it because also construction is heating up again. This powerhouse serum is made with a whopping 10 different variations of the ingredient along with hydrating hyaluronic acid to smooth fine lines and plump skin, no needles required. There is not a coupon code. The next one is a mascara, and I can always use some more mascaras. This one is from Other Beauty, ATHR Beauty. I'm gonna go with Other. This is the Comeback Mascara. It has a $28 value, and this is the full size. And let me just show you this photo. So that's what the wand looks like there. And it has a $28 value, and it says that this one is available for 20% off. And there is a coupon code. Okay, it's like really freaking hot. It's 100 degrees. There is a coupon code, ATHRbeauty.com. Get 20% off with the code ATHRALLURE20. This formula is a do-it-all mascara, lengthens, lifts, and defines lashes, while a cocktail of nourishing ingredients, green tea extract, and acai oil care for lashes without smudging, smearing, or melting. Completely removed with warm water, no excessive rubbing, tugging, or mess required. So I'll be the test of that because, as you can see, I'm very sweaty right now, and I have been testing a lot of mascaras this summer because it has been very hot this summer. The next one is going to be K-Beauty, and this one I was also like, okay, Sold. This is from Vitabrid C12, and this one is the Dr. Brid C Barrier Defense Basic Cream Hydrate and Firm. And this one is 20 mls and a $19.99 value. And it is a barrier cream, and I kind of need that going into the next season. Plus, I have been traveling so much for work recently. That's kind of why I haven't had time to edit. And also work has been kind of cuckoo bananas. But my skin is like definitely feeling like I've been traveling a lot because it's so dry. So this barrier cream will definitely come in handy. And I'm also going to be doing some personal travel soon as well to go to the state fair in Minnesota. I can't open this right now, and they are definitely heating up with the construction again. This is the second to last step in the skincare routine. Sunscreen should follow if applying in the morning. Gently massage an even layer onto your face and down your neck until fully absorbed. This product has ceramides, niacinamide, and squalane, and it helps lock in moisture and soothe the skin before dryness, tightness, and irritation develop. So, very excited for that. The next one is one that I did not see on the, oh my gosh, I was on a work trip and I was like, oh shoot, I should make a video, but then I didn't have any of my personal stuff. So this one is going to be a flat hair clip, and this is from Teletease. I want to say T-E-L-E-T-I-E-S, Teletease. But this one says a surprise selection. So it looks like there are 4 different color variations. And then I think I also saw that there was either a large one or a medium one. And I do believe I got the large one. It's a flat clip, so it's going to be comfortable if you have your hair up, unlike some of these other clips that I don't have at my hand right now, where like if you sit and you're like in an airplane or like I guess in a car and you sit back, it hits your headrest. This will be laying flat. So it says hair clips for those who refuse to choose between cute and comfort. So the medium size is $12.99 and the large size is $14.99. So again, I think I got the large size because it's marked as $14.99. I do wish I had the medium size because I don't have that much hair. But I mean, I'm happy to try it out because I have liked having my hair up without having the hair tie in it, you know? So there is a coupon code for this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there is a coupon code for the Vitabrid C12, and it says Amazon.com, and you get 28% off with the code 40000FT. So that would be 40,000 feet. And then this Teletease has 20% off. You go to TELETIES.com, and then you can get 20% off with the code Allure20. So yes, I'm very interested to see how this works, and this is what the inside of the clip looks like. There's like shorter little teeth here. I don't know if you can see that there. And then there's like the longer ones on the side. And then there's also the longer ones on the inside. And then on this side here that I can't get out right now, there's like the teeth from like, oh my god, sorry. And then on this side here that I can't show you and I'm sorry, there's like the teeth from like a regular brush clip sort of thing. And then the final product is the one that I was like, I don't really want it necessarily. But this one is from Commodity, and this one is going to be a surprise selection between Commodity Milk and Commodity Juice. So this one is from Commodity Fragrance, and it's $34 for the 10 mls, and this one is 5 mls, so it would be half that. And I can't do the math right now, $17. And this month it's going to either be Milk Expressive, which is a warm and cozy blend of marshmallow and tonka bean notes, or Juice Expressive, a bright fruit-forward scent of strawberry and raspberry with a playful streak. So personally, I've had the Commodity Milk before in Allure Beauty Box, so I kind of wish I would have been able to try out the Juice. Milk is not my style because it's like more of a warm scent. I like a brighter, kind of fresher scent. So that's why I was hoping to see Juice, but this was fine. It'll be also okay for travel and stuff. Even though it's not my personal scent, it's better than, you know, it is what it is sometimes when you're traveling. But that is the box this month. I do think it was pretty good. I will get use out of everything, including even this Commodity Milk. I'll just throw it in my makeup bag for travel. And what did you get in your box? I'm curious if you got the medium size or the large size, and then also if you got Juice. Let me know how you feel about Juice, because I want to know. Milk and Juice. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon, because, you know, they're constructing a building.